Number 1. 1969 Cadillac Eldorado, $3,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This front-wheel drive luxury coupe represents peak late 1960s Cadillac engineering, powered by a massive V8 and known for its smooth ride and bold styling. The seller notes a strong engine and transmission, with the car running and shifting well. However, it currently needs a fuel tank, which is essential before regular use. The body glass is intact and the exhaust system is solid, making this a promising budget project. Given the low price, it is an attractive entry into full-size luxury classics with restoration potential. Number 2. 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass Factory V8 4-speed, 3,750 Phoenix, Arizona. A rare and desirable configuration, this Cutlass features a high-compression 330 rocket V8 paired with a factory 4-speed manual transmission and Hearse shifter. As a barn find with original California black plates, it carries strong collector appeal. The body is described as straight and rust-free, which is critical for value. The main drawback is the missing title, which could complicate registration. Still, for enthusiasts, this is a highly desirable, muscle-era Oldsmobile with strong upside. Number 3. 1962 Chevrolet Nova, $4,000, Perris, California. An early Nova coupe with a simple inline-six and automatic transmission, this car represents lightweight, early compact performance potential. While details are limited, these models are popular for both restoration and modification due to their simple design and strong aftermarket support. With a clean title and running condition implied, it could serve as a solid starting point for a custom build or budget cruiser. Number 4. 1967 Buick Special Skylark, $3,500, Carson City, Nevada. This Buick offers classic midsize styling with a 300 cubic inch V8 and a rare 3-speed manual transmission. However, it has a significant mechanical issue, as coolant contamination in the oil suggests a blown head gasket or possible engine damage. The seller has already fitted new tires, and the car includes extra parts. Structurally, it appears solid, making it a worthwhile project for someone prepared to rebuild or replace the engine. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo V8, $9,950, Chilliwack, British Columbia. A well-built street machine, this Monte Carlo features a 400 cubic inch small block V8 producing an estimated 300-plus horsepower. Performance upgrades such as Edelbrock components, headers, upgraded ignition, and suspension enhancements make this a strong performer. The car presents well with minor cosmetic aging typical for its era. With a clean interior and functional electronics, it is a turnkey classic with modernized performance and strong visual appeal. Number 6. 1984 Cadillac Hearse, $6,000, Burnaby, British Columbia. A unique and niche classic, this Cadillac Hearse is powered by a V8 and offers both novelty and practicality for collectors seeking something different. With recent maintenance, including spark plugs, brakes, and a new alternator belt, along with relatively new tires, it appears roadworthy. Hearses have a growing following in the custom and show scene, making this an interesting conversation piece with usable condition. Number 7. 1963 Plymouth Valiant, $15,000, Alton, Illinois. This is a heavily modified Valiant transformed into a serious performance machine. Equipped with a 440 cubic inch big block, dual carburetors, and a strengthened driveline, it delivers substantial power in a lightweight body. The inclusion of a 727 transmission and performance gearing further enhances its street and strip potential. With a solid body and strong running condition, this car appeals to enthusiasts who prioritize performance over originality. Number 8. 1966 Ford Thunderbird, $13,500, Tucson, Arizona. A stylish personal luxury coupe, this Thunderbird is powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission. Known for its comfort and unique features like the swing-away steering wheel, it offers a refined driving experience. The car runs well and has been recently serviced, though it will need tires and the air conditioning is only moderately functional. With minimal wear and strong visual appeal, it is a great cruising classic. Number 9. 1973 Pontiac Grand Am, $12,999, Laguna Beach, California. A rare and highly collectible Pontiac, the Grand Am blends luxury and performance from the early 1970s. This example is a low-mile survivor finished in Brewster green, retaining original character, including its interior and even original tires. Mechanical updates to the cooling system and timing chain improve reliability. The front nose panel is being addressed, which is a known issue on these cars. Overall, it is a true time capsule with strong collector value. Number 10. 1975 Pontiac Firebird, $15,000. Albuquerque, New Mexico. A well-preserved second-generation Firebird, this car features a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission with just 63,000 original miles. Extensive recent maintenance, including brakes, suspension components, exhaust, and tune-up parts, makes it highly roadworthy. Described as running and driving like new, it stands out as a reliable and clean example. These mid-70s Firebirds are gaining popularity, especially in original condition. Number 11. 1970 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, $12,500, Georgetown, Minnesota. This triple black convertible is a desirable full-size classic and represents the final era of large American convertibles. With a running 350 engine and a functioning convertible top, it offers a solid foundation. Significant brake system upgrades and intake improvements have already been completed. However, it remains a project that needs further refinement. Its rarity and striking color combination make it a worthwhile restoration candidate. Number 12. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $12,000, Spokane Valley, Washington. A clean and well-maintained example of the popular G-body platform, this Monte Carlo features a rebuilt 350 V8 with modern upgrades including an Edelbrock carburetor and upgraded ignition. With only 11,000 miles on the engine, it offers strong performance and reliability. The original interior is in excellent condition, and the exterior presents well with classic styling. This is a turnkey driver that combines originality with tasteful performance enhancements.